Good morning, I'm ready to go again. I'm at Starkey Wilderness Campground. Today I'm gonna ride to Silver Lake Campground, which is 50 miles. It's a beautiful day, look at that. No clouds. It's quiet, temperature is perfect. So that's the Starkey Wilderness Bike Trail. Heading out. It's a beautiful ride. Looks like they have resurfaced it. Good morning. On your left. Good morning. It looks like a popular trail. A lot of people on the trail. Almost passed it. Bike trail turns this way. They have resurfaced all those trails here. County has done a good job if county is managing it. And that's what I'm thinking. That's the county trail. Pasco County. I like this ride. It's beautiful. On the left they have done the control burn. Almost at the end of the trail. That's the last rest stop. If it starts raining, then you can hide there. So now I'm riding along the highway, and the Suncoast Trail goes along the highway. It's warming up nicely. I took the sleeves off, so it's gonna get only warmer. So today it's gonna go up to 80 probably. Oh, I remember this spot. They had an alligator here last time. Crossing the road. This one is called Ghost Bike. Someone died here. Yeah. It's a reminder that you have to be careful. Now I'm a little bit further from the road, but the Suncoast Trail follows the main highway. Now it's nicely shaded. I like that. Another road crossing.
Continue on Forge Drive for 1 mile.
Forge Drive? What are you talking? It's a Suncoast Trail. Yeah, Google is not really updating their maps. Google thinks that I'm on that road over there, but actually I'm on the trail. I'm now in Hernando County. Just got out of Pasco County and I'm now in Hernando County. Starting the new checklist for Hernando County. The first birds, American crow and eastern bluebird. Pasco County I saw, I think this morning, more than 30 different species. I don't have a time to stop, but I'm marking down all the birds I'm hearing. That's a good thing about knowing the birds by call, that you hear something and you know what is this. Look at these beautiful wildflowers. And this side too. Anyway, now I'm in Hernando County. So far I rode 22.8 miles. My stopping point is coming up at 3 miles. Oh, wow, that is so cool. Beautiful. Wow, so cool. I don't even know who started it, but it was beautiful. Anderson Snow Park. That's the Anderson Snow Park, but no snow. Suncoast Trail in Hernando County is more prettier. It's further away from the main road and it's covered. Morning. So this is my stopping point. There is the
Turn right onto Spring Hill Drive.
McDonald's on the other side of the road. I'm gonna stop there. Hello. I'm gonna go this way. Looks like a brand new McDonald's. Just gonna stop here.
Your destination is on the left.
Alright. I'm back on the trail. It was a nice stop. Such a beautiful ride. Temperature is perfect in 70s. And yeah, no rain, nothing. No wind. Enjoying my ride. I guess I have to go around because I'm gonna turn towards Brooksville. I'm not going any further. So there's this bridge. It goes over, but I'm not taking that. I'm gonna turn right from here. And if I would continue, I would just take this bridge overpass. Anyway, I'm gonna head to Brooksville now. It's a beautiful day to ride a bike. So the good thing is that now they have a bike trail here, all the way to Brooksville. When I rode it first time, they didn't have it. I had to be on the shoulder. But yeah, now we have a nice bike trail from Suncoast Trail to Brooksville. That's the Brooksville. Going through Brooksville. I guess that's the main street. Yep, main street. Looks nice. Going down. Downhill in Brooksville.
Turn left onto Russell Street.
There you go. Now I'm back on the trail. Which one? Which one? Which one? I don't know. I guess this one. Doesn't matter. Oh, white ibises. Hello.
Slight right to stay on Good Neighbor Trail.
Oh, that's a Good Neighbor Trail already. Oh, wow. That's where it starts. Okay. Yep. That's where it starts. Good Neighbor Trail. Good Neighbor Trail, Ed. Alright, let's get started. 10 miles to go. That's the Good Neighbor Trail. It's a beautiful trail. It goes from Brooksville to Withlacoochee State Trail. I'm not sure why they put these fences up. Would be nicer to have no fence. So now the Good Neighbor Trail goes alongside of this local road. Hey. They have done some control burn here.
On Forest Road number 10 for 1.5 miles.
Yeah, sure. Google is still saying it's a forest road. It's a bike trail. Last section of Good Neighbor Trail. I can see the end of the trail. It's coming up.
Make a U-turn.
Yeah, look at that, what Google is doing. He still thinks that I'm on the forest road. Wants me to turn around. And there is the trail. Withlacoochee Trail. Here you go, Withlacoochee Trail. Withlacoochee State Forest. That's the Withlacoochee Trail. Heading south. This week is the perfect week to be out bike touring because no rain and the temperature is comfortably in 70s. It's just perfect ride. There you go. Oh, maybe not. I don't need to dump. Not for me. I can use the regular restroom. Man. Keep right. So, I forgot what's my campsite. I have to look up. Silver Lake, left. I was circling around and tried to find my campsite. It's right here. That's the one. Alright, I'm gonna set up the tent and settling in. So today I rode 50 miles from Starkey Wilderness Campground to here at Silver Lake Recreational Area. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to Claremont and Winter Garden. So it's gonna be fun because tomorrow I'm going through Green Swamp. Not going to Green Swamp, but I'm gonna go to, I think it's called Richmond Wildlife Area or something like that. Now I'm just gonna settle down and call in a day. Look. That's the new, that's the old. It's a nice campground actually. It's totally full, and somehow I managed to get the site, the one that was available just for me. Alright, this is my campsite. Oh. See you all tomorrow.